Come on, honey, let's get going. Daddy's sort of in a hurry.
Can we make pancakes?
Oh, honey, I don't know if I have the right stuff for that.
I think this milk is spoiled.
No, that's not possible because I checked this milk.
For Evan Danielson, life was all work
You said you'd do dress up.
Daddy has a lot of work to do.
and no play.
Hey, remember we talked about the day was going to come. You couldn't take the blanket to school with you anymore? Well, that day's going to be today.
But he's about to get some help
Where are my notes for the 11 o'clock?
I think they're in there.
Oh, my God.
from the last person he ever imagined.
Did you draw my worksheets? Pictures of people kissing or something?
The princess says those companies are gonna get married.
How did you know about this impending marriage? Where are you getting this information?
Okay, let me get this right. The princesses tell you things about companies? Mm-hmm. Well, you know what? I got a couple of other companies I want to ask them about.
From Paramount Pictures,
There they are. We'll have to sing a song she likes.
Please let me pass.
Higher.
And have an aneurysm?
She really hates that.
Yeah, I'm with her.
and Nickelodeon movies.
The entire community is talking about you.
I want you to find out where he's getting his information.
He just hangs out with his daughter.
We have to dance.
Have to dance too?
They dance and they laugh.
Hey, Evan. Hey, what's going on, man? How you
You're playing with a blanket.
Tell Olivia Danielson that Dad's out here and needs the blanket. I'm gonna give you $20.
I'll take 50, my brother.
I have a coffee card.
I don't drink coffee.
Do you like scones?
Scones? What I look like, the Queen of England? Get this fool!
This summer,
Do you honestly believe that that blanket has something to do with everything that's been going on?
You have two jobs, and one of those jobs is being a father. And she needs to know that you care as much about that job as you do the other.
imagine that the magic you've been looking for is right before your eyes.
What do you want to do now?
What do you want to do? Yeah, I'm getting the hang of it.
Eddie Murphy
Who wants pancakes? We have any condiments?
Ketchup, mustard, hot sauce.
Dear Lord,
Dear Lord.
please protect my daddy's throat. He never done nothing to nobody, Lord.
You've never done nothing to nobody more.
Imagine that.
Can I please see the bill? $400,000? You must be out your mind, woman! You trying to get this on my paper? Come on.
Struts, check. Flaps, check. Engine, check. Coffee maker, check. Buckle up, boys. Launch!
New York City, here we come, baby!
Skipper, we may be out of fuel. Don't look, doll. This might get hairy. It's more fun when you raise your arms like these. Deploy!
Where are we? San Diego. This time I'm 40% sure.
I think it's Africa. How? We offer only happiness and good greetings. Sorry.
Let's dance.
You got it.
Yeah, that's a bummer, man.
Look out, I think Moto likes you.
I like them big. I like them chunky. Goodness, girl, you huge.
Who's your friend? Or is that your butt?
From DreamWorks.
Is this place great or what?
7 days! Evasive maneuvers! I'd go with or what?
To survive in Africa, they'll have to get in touch with their wild side.
Looks impressive, Kowalski, but will it fly? Yes, if we fold it here, here, and here. Nice.
We are live on the web. 3 friends, 1 web show, no rules.
Bump up the fruit!
Nickelodeon's iCarly is available now on DVD.
Get out!
Each DVD is packed with your favorite episodes, along with exclusive special features.
Wow, awesome.
You can get your high-speed connection to comedy with iCarly Season 1, Volumes 1 and 2, available now on DVD.
No way.
And be on the lookout for more iCarly DVDs coming soon.